Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 2 presentation assembly. It's the end of half term, it's Friday the 12th of February and we're here to celebrate all those children who've been working so hard on their home learning and posting lots and lots on Tapestry. Some amazing superstars. All the certificates will be coming in the post, so look out for them over this weekend and enjoy them over half term. Here they are now, these amazing Year 2s. We are starting in Year 2 with Mrs. Cook's Phonics Stars. Look at this page of stars. We've got George, Ramin, Lily, Mia May, Jacob, Rawem, Ebony, Rion, Benita, Esma and Olivia. You superstars, look at you Phonics Stars. Amazing work on your phonics, amazing work on your reading, guys. Really well done. Keep working hard at your phonics, keep working hard at your reading. It's just going to help you with your writing as well. So really proud of every single one of you. Look out for your certificates coming in the post. I am so proud of you all, you super Phonics Stars. Well done. Moving on to as well. Oh, here we are, our English stars as well. Look at these. We've got Gino, we've got Mason, Jordan, Esme, Leland and Muntaha. Look at this English. Look at this, guys. I know with your phonics, your reading, everything that you are doing, your writing, it is phenomenal. Look at the English that's going on, the writing. It is beautiful. You Year 2s are knocking it out of the park. It is amazing. Really well done, guys. And look out for your certificates coming in the post. Superstars, well done. Mrs. Cook's Math Stars, here we go. Look at these mathematicians. You can see they're mathematicians. Look at their smiles on their faces. And look at the maths as well that they're showing off as well. You've got Marley, Alfie, Mia, Govis, Alex, Luna, Casper, Charlie, Paul, Rosie and Perla. You mathematician stars, you fantastic. Well done. So much work is going on Tapestry. I know that. I know Mrs. Cook is absolutely bowled over by all the work that you guys are doing. Keep it up and look out for the certificate coming in the post. Really a great half term, guys, and keep it up throughout next half term as well. Well done, you mathematician stars. And moving on to, oh, look at Miss Howkins' Math Stars. Wow, look at this page of stars. You've got Cece, you've got Lacey, Luca, Ruby, Luke, Michael, Cooper, Logan, Mohammed, Jackson, Eva, Jacob, and Rebecca. Look at these math stars. Wow. Look at the maths as well, from telling the time, from doing times tables, you're doing bar charts. It's phenomenal, representing data. You're telling the time, you're doing adding, you're subtracting. It is amazing, guys. What fantastic maths. Well deserved, well earned certificates there. So look out for those winging their way in the post. They're coming in the post, so do look out for them and put them in special place. Really nice to see you with your certificates. Post that on Tapestry because it'd be lovely to see all of your smiling faces again. Really well done, guys. Moving on to, look at these, CLJ Explorer stars, History and Geography star. Look at these guys. You got Gabriella and Ebony. Well done, guys. Hey, Gabby, superb, honey. And well done, Ebony. You superstar. Look at those big smiles. So you should be. Really well deserved. Absolute superstar explorers and working so hard throughout, whether that's geography or history. You absolute stars. Well done, guys. I am proud of you. Look out for your certificates. I know Mrs. Cook is sending them. So they should be there this weekend. So look out for them. Really well done. Moving on. Here we go. We've got science stars. Look at these science stars. We've got Tyler, we've got Oliver, Omo and Esme. Well done, you four. You absolute superstar. Look at Tyler with his photography there in nature. It's superb. And Oliver with his bird feeder. Brilliant. And Omo doing his planting in his garden as well. And Esme doing all about space and rockets. Again, all the planets. Super science stars. Really well done. Miss Howkins, I know, is really proud of you. I am as well. So look out for your certificates coming in the post, you superstars. Well done, you four. Proud of you all. Oh, Mrs. Cook's Reading Stars. Look at these guys. Not only will these guys be getting a certificate, but they'll be getting a reading book in the post as well. You've got Lee, Jake, Robbie and Leah. Well done, you four. And I know Mrs. Cook is so proud of you all. Posting every single week on Tapestry about all the reading you are doing. It's so good that you're keeping that up. You've got to keep reading every single day. We've even seen you, Robbie, I know, reading to your little sister there. Look, amazing, buddy. So do keep that up. I know Jake, I know your big sister could listen to you. Leah as well. You could read to Ollie as well. So really well done. And similarly, Lee, I'm sure there's your brothers and sisters could help listen to you read as well. So really well done, Mrs. Cook's class. Look out for your certificates and your books coming in the post. Super effort. Well done. There we go. Oh, look at these reading stars from Miss Howkins as well. Look, I was talking about reading to brothers and sisters. Look at Levi reading to his big sister there. You absolute superstar, Levi. Just brilliant that you're able to read there. And it's fantastic there helping out, because it's always lovely in families to read to each other, read to our brothers and our sisters and our mums and dads. So really well done there. Daria as well, Sky and Rosie. You are all reading stars. Miss Howkins is so proud of you, reading every single day. Sky kicking back there, relaxing with her arms up her nose. So really well done there. So brilliant, Daria. Brilliant, Rosie. Super reading, guys. And look out for your certificates heading to in the post. You absolute superstars. Well done. And well done, everyone in year 2. You are all amazing. Well-deserved certificates. I am so proud of every single one of you. They're coming in their post. Have a fantastic and very restful half term. Do take it easy. And then, who knows, after half term, we'll look for more and more things posted on Tapestry. It'd be lovely to see all of that work. But have a fantastic half term. Until next half term, bye-bye, everyone.